नेता टाइप आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन भी दबाओ।
The Redmi Note 9 Pro has just been launched in India. Longtime fans of the series might be surprised at how Xiaomi has actually held back a little with this model, since expectations are always high when a phone from Redmi Note series is announced. No 90Hz display, no extreme fast charging, no high resolution camera. This phone is more about core specifications. Hey there, this is Mayank and you are watching TechSiapa. So without delaying further, let's jump into the video. So this is the Redmi Note 9 Pro. On both the side you can see the Redmi branding and on the back you can see the specs detail. This phone is powered by the Snapdragon 720G and it comes with a quad camera setup. And very interestingly it says made in India. At this point, with the kind of hardware used at even the low end of the market, there isn't much that can be said about everyday use. The Redmi Note 9 Pro is more than powerful enough to handle anything from basic calls and messaging all the way up to heavy 3D gaming, with no trouble whatsoever. Multitasking was also smooth and trouble-free. If you are used to a higher display rate, then you might find that missing, but most people shouldn't really mind. Let's keep this phone aside for a moment. I'm very interested to check whether Redmi has gone with a Type-C or not. Okay, so we have a 18-watt charger which comes out of the box, and thank God the Redmi has gone with a Type-C cable. Nowadays, it's really good to see that every smartphone brand is moving towards Type-C. Let's keep everything aside and focus on the device itself. First impression, it's a bulky phone. They have come up with a distinctive new camera bump design which plays into the theme of symmetry. Even the flash is centered below the 4 camera lenses. On front and back, they have gone with a Gorilla Glass 5 protection and the frame is made up of polycarbonate. Overall, the phone looks modern and definitely defies expectation for its price category. There's also a P2i coating for splash resistance, though of course no proper waterproofing. Redmi Note series phone typically have impressive specs. And this time they have gone with a larger screen and battery than ever before. They have gone with a still 60Hz panel and they claim that there aren't many apps that take advantage of higher refresh rate. People can't really tell the difference. So it's not worth the battery trade-off and Snapdragon 720G SoC isn't powerful enough for that. Well, I personally don't agree with this theory and I am really disappointed. Talking about the battery, 5020 mAh battery is interesting. They claim 29 hours of VoLTE calling and 14 hours of gaming per charge. That's insane. Other highlights include NAVIC support along with standard GPS, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5 and all standard sensors. The phone comes with a MIUI 11, runs on the top of Android 10. This time they have gone with a side mounted fingerprint sensor which is embedded into the power button. It's fast and it's accurate. We also tested out the voice over Wi-Fi technology on both Jio and Airtel and it worked perfectly. Let's now talk about the cameras. Just like other phones, they have lots of mode included in their camera setup. They also have a dedicated night mode, portrait mode and panorama mode. And at the end we also get the Pro mode. And in the portrait mode we have the option to adjust the aperture of the camera. And they also have a dedicated 48 megapixel mode. I just love the ultra wide lens, it's kind of my favorite. And at the end of this we'll have a video which has been shot from the Note 9 Pro itself so that you guys can have an idea about the audio and video quality. Look at this image, sometimes the portrait depth effect is a lot, you can see in the third image. And here it's perfect. So the detailing is good, the normal pictures are really nice in daytime. Now the coming audio has also been recorded from the Note 9.
This video is shot from the back camera of the phone and this from the front. रुको अभी वीडियो खत्म नहीं हुआ है.
नेता टाइप आधा काम मत करो.
सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ.
Final verdict, I like the Redmi Note 9 Pro for its overall style and it could easily stand next to full price flagship from 5 or 6 years ago. The specifications are very impressive and I had very few complaints when using this phone for day-to-day tasks as well as for general entertainment. The primary camera is a letdown though, especially in low light. I also found this phone a bit too bulky for our liking. That's all, hope you guys love the video. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment. See you in next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.
इस वीडियो के सामने आने के बाद सवाल तो बनता ही है,
अगर हम करें तो करें क्या, बोले तो बोले क्या।
नेता टाइप आधा काम मत करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकॉन भी दबाओ।